Hi, this is Chris from Screen Medic. I'm just showing you these storm window units that we see on a lot of porches. They're older, so they typically need to get repaired or rescreened. These have these small screws I'm going to show you that make it a little bit more complicated than it should be, just based on the manufacturer. These are double windows, and a lot of times they're actually like triple windows. So that's one way of identifying it. The biggest way to identify it is those screws. I'll flip around here and show you. So these screens are held in with about 8 screws, and these screws are typically older and rusted, and then when they're rusted and smaller headed like this, you can even see like this particular one. I think these ones were rescreened at some point. The screws get stripped out, and then we can't fix it, so we've taken the stance to just be able to replace the mesh from the inside. And when we do that, we're on the inside of the window, and we have a gentleman, lady, employee holding the screen like this all the way along as we're rescreening it to hold the frame in there. So we're not taking these small screws out, which then adds cost, because we have 2 people screening it on the other side. Versus one person being able to just screen it from on the table. So I'll show you the rusted ones on this side here. If a homeowner would like to remove these screws themselves to be able to take the windows out and try it, there's for sure can. And a lot of times you can tell that the screws themselves kind of get sucked in with metal, so backing it out is nearly impossible based on how thin this frame thing is. And then a lot of times as well, you'll see it right in this one. See how the screw is not even centered into that opening, and it's just barely connected. And so that's why, again, we have ourselves holding on the outside. So that is storm window conversation. If you need us, please give us a call, 612-232-7378, or on the web at screenmedic.com. Thanks.